Past your thigh, I want your little finger to brush past your thigh. So if you're having a little bit of trouble with people understanding how much they need to rotate, because I don't do slicing. I appreciate that that's a move. I prefer not to do slicing. I want people to push water in both directions to get that push-pull action that they need for their upper body to maintain basic physical literacy skills. So I want them to always work against resistance. And I want to talk about, I want your little finger to go past your thigh, I want your thumb to go past your thigh. So I want you to see if you can flick past your leg with your little finger and your thumb. It's just another little cueing tip that you might want to use. And for me, it's always about the cueing tips. How many different ones can I have in a class? Because if I keep repeating myself and saying the exact same cues every single time, people eventually zone out and they don't pay attention to what you're saying. And we've seen that happen many times in an Aqua class, right?
The hands also are rotating in the water. So fingers open in a claw pattern, and you're allowing the water to rush between the fingers. Now that creates a sort of turbulence, but it also makes the water feel like it's something that's tangible, that you can actually manipulate and move in the water, because it becomes like this force that you can move around. I often talk about, imagine that you feel like you've got a ball in your hand and you're just trying to keep that ball in the water, and that's actually the ball of water. Have another look at what happens with the fingers. And also notice how far my arms stretch down my legs. My arms are fully extended. So my hand is actually as far as it will go down. So my thumb and my little finger, my thumb as my palm goes back and the arm goes back, and my little finger as the arm goes forward, and now sweeping past my thigh. And it does depend on the people's length of arms, length of torso, length of legs, because not everyone's built the same way. But for me, my arms go all the way down and I can sweep it past my thighs. So it's something that you want to indicate to your participants. Reach towards your thighs, and that will help with keeping their arms lengthened. But the other little bonus is it keeps the shoulders down. Because if I'm reaching down and I'm lifting up and projecting up, my shoulders go down.